So back in the old days, here at the Potholes, they would shut all the gates off completely, especially this time of year, July, August, September, when the water level in the lakes are low. And it would leave a lot of fish stranded in these deep holes. Well, this is what they do now. They never shut it off completely, which is really good for the potholes. And when you see on the river level, the prediction says the river's going to be at 2,000. It's not. They don't take into account this. If you go to the actual USGS site, it will tell you that it's not 2,000, it's 2,250. Because this is the extra 250 that they don't take into account. It's not measured by the sensor over in the tail race. You can look at the oxygen that it puts back into the water here. Back in the old days, these big fish would be stranded. They use up all the oxygen and they die. It's not like that now. This is the minimum that they'll open the gates. It'll either be more water than this, like last time I came here, or it'll be this much. It's still a beautiful place to fish. I think there's fish in here. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. That's not the best time in August to be hunting bass. I see somebody walking all the way on the other side that probably crossed the looks like two fellas over there on the other side that probably crossed the bridge. I think if you had a small kayak or even an inflatable kayak, you might could do some good in here if you got here first thing in the morning. You see that green slime? That stuff is slick, even though I got rock shoes on with spikes. That stuff is slick. It's a good way for an old son of a gun like me to break a hip. Man, that mist, it's about 102 out here. That mist feels good.